Got a 2023 Volkswagen Tiguan, and I'm going to show you how to open the remote to replace the battery. This one's super easy, okay? So if we flip it over where it has the Volkswagen sign here, we're removing this panel here, all right? So you are going to need a pry tool, like a flathead screwdriver. You could use a butter knife or something like that, but you are going to put it in this seam that you have here, okay? Pick a good spot, like this corner down here. Once you put it in there, it just cracks open. Just be kind of gentle with it that you don't damage your remote. And you can pull up on it like that. Once you have it out like that, there's a little slot right here on the right side. Perfect for your little pry tool. And the battery just comes right out like that. Battery size is a CR2032. Notice this positive sign you have right here. It faces out towards us, so when you get your new battery, it goes into the top first. Push it, lock it down on. Get your cap. It should snap back on there like that, no problem. If you need a battery, check the description box. I'll have a link takes you to Amazon where you can pick up the correct size. And I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me or leave me a comment if you could.